Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're exploring different methods for growing russet potatoes, starting with the traditional method of planting them in the ground. Let's get started. Growing russet potatoes in the ground begins with preparing the soil. Here's how to get your soil ready for planting. 1. Choose the right location. Select a sunny spot in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. 2. Well-draining soil. Potatoes need well-draining soil to prevent rot. Sandy loam soil is ideal. If your soil is heavy clay, consider amending it with sand or organic matter to improve drainage. Fertile soil is key. Potatoes thrive in nutrient-rich soil. So, work in plenty of compost or well-rotted manure to provide those essential nutrients. And aim for a soil pH between 5.5 and 7.0. Once your soil is ready, it's time to plant your seed potatoes. The trench method is a great way to plant. Dig trenches about 4 inches deep and 12 inches apart. And don't forget to space the rows about 2 to 3 feet apart. Okay, so here we are at the planting depth stage. Place the seed potatoes with the eyes facing up, spacing them about 12 inches apart within the trench. Cover the seed potatoes with soil, leaving a small mound over each potato to allow for growth. Proper soil preparation is crucial for healthy potato growth. Well-draining, fertile soil ensures that the roots receive adequate nutrients and water while preventing diseases like rot and blight. Regularly check the soil moisture and add mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Growing russet potatoes in the ground can be incredibly rewarding when you prepare the soil correctly. Follow these steps to ensure your potatoes have the best start and thrive throughout the growing season. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!